I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by sorting and loading with purpose. Place whites separate from darks and keep delicates in a mesh bag. This prevents damage. Once done, check all pockets and close zippers to avoid snags. Add heavily soiled items on top so detergent reaches them first. Load the drum loosely, about 3/4 full for a top loader, half full for a front loader, to ensure proper agitation and rinse action. Now move directly to selecting settings, don't stall. You now select the correct cycle and add products carefully. Pick normal for everyday clothes, delicate for lingerie, heavy for towels, or quick for small, lightly soiled loads so you save time and energy. Measure your detergent with the cap. Usually follow the detergent label and reduce to half for small loads to avoid residue. Pour bleach or softener into the machine's designated compartment only. That prevents fabric damage. Close the lid or door. Then press start to begin the wash. You finish by unloading promptly and preparing clothes for drying. Remove garments as soon as the cycle ends to reduce wrinkles. Give each item a quick shake before transferring to the dryer or a drying rack. Choose dryer heat based on fabric, low for delicates, high for towels, and air dry anything labeled by the manufacturer. If you notice lingering odor or residue, run an empty hot cycle with 1 cup of white vinegar. Then wipe seals and leave the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.